focus onto the conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan, which continues to escalate. Azerbaijan has said that it has destroyed Armenia's 2 missile launch sites. According to the country's defense ministry, Armenia was using these launch sites to target civilian areas during the fighting over Nagorno-Karabakh. Meanwhile, Armenia's defense ministry has confirmed that areas inside the country had been targeted. However, it denied that its forces were targeting civilian areas in Azerbaijan. Armenia also said that it now reserves the right to target any military installations and combat movements on the territory of Azerbaijan. The Azeri president, Ilham Aliyev, has said that Armenia was trying to attack the gas pipelines in Azerbaijan. The president warned that the outcome will be severe if Armenians try to take control of the pipelines. Bringing Turkey onto the negotiations as well. Azeri president saying that the conflict cannot be solved or resolved without Ankara's involvement. But Armenia's Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan has accused Turkey of muscling its way into the South Caucasus region over its expansionist ambitions. Russia also spoke on Turkey's involvement and said that it disagrees with Ankara's stand of a military solution to the crisis. The Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov said that Russia does not agree with the position voiced by Turkey. Russia has also appealed to both sides to stop the conflict. The Russian defense minister spoke to the defense minister of the two nations and urged them to fully meet the commitments made under the ceasefire. The fresh clashes resumed immediately after both the countries agreed on that ceasefire brokered by Moscow. Both Azeri and Armenian forces have accused each other of violating that ceasefire. Nagorno-Karabakh is run by ethnic Armenians, although it is officially part of Azerbaijan. The two former Soviet republics have blamed each other for the ongoing outbreak of violence. Over 300 people have died and thousands have been displaced since the latest round of violence. The latest clashes marking the biggest escalation of this decades-old conflict over the disputed region of Nagorno-Karabakh.